Hey everybody, I'd like to welcome you here to sunny Palm Desert, California. We're here at Marrakesh Country Club. My name is Patrick Dragonette. This is my home and I'd love for you to come in and have a look. So come on, follow me. I kind of think that rooms dictate to you how to use them. The fact that this room was so big, it gave us an opportunity to really experience it in different ways. It's about composing a beautiful picture. My advice has always been, if you love something and you take it home and you love everything else at home, it all works together because it's all been curated. You can buy good design anywhere, and it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. So here in the dining room, I think it's a really great example of kind of the high-low concept. The chairs are from Restoration Hardware. We custom upholstered them, and we use this great cut velvet from Romo. We elevate it and made them custom and special just for us. So let's say you've been here for dinner, you've had a little too much to drink, and you're going to spend the night. Let's go check out the guest quarters. We wanted to create a guest suite that was very, very comfortable for our guests. These Corbusier chairs were originally upholstered in leather. So in this case, we used an ikat fabric. I love the color combo of the gray and gold. That fabric was the starting point for this room. The good things that are important to you, keep them, and you'll find a place for them one day. Here we are in the master bedroom. This is the one area where we used a different paint color on the walls. And I like to think of it as sort of a smoky lavender. Being in the desert, the quality of the light is very different. And this is a color that seems to work very well with the changing light. You'll notice on either side of the bed, there are a big pair of agate lamps. These lamps actually were something that I had designed. Once I completed these lamps, I knew that I couldn't part with them because they made me happy, and I knew that they would be the perfect choice here in this bedroom. I'd like to thank you all for taking a look at my home here in Palm Desert. And now it's just time for me to kick back, relax, and enjoy the Palm Desert sunshine.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see on the show, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have so much more to show you.